The remote control.
The shop in Mill Street sold lots of things. In the window I saw a TV remote control. I went into the shop because I needed a new one. There was an old woman behind the desk.
Be careful, that's not a normal TV remote control. It has special powers.
Special powers?
Yes, use it carefully and never ever press the button with the star.
What a strange lady.
At home, my brother Tom was in the living room. The TV was on. It was a film about dinosaurs.
Can we watch a cartoon?
No.
What's that?
A new TV remote control.
I pointed the remote control at Tom and pressed a button. He froze. I looked at the button. It was the pause button. I pressed the rewind button. My brother started moving and talking backwards.
Hey, nah.
I pressed the fast forward button. He started moving really fast. I remembered the old lady and her words.
Use it carefully.
So I stopped it.
Let me look at the remote control.
No.
I said, let me look at the remote control.
No! Where is Tom?
Help me, help me, help me, Annie, please.